Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we are here to discuss static GK business questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. We are having CMAT crash course which include day-wise schedule covering all the important topics, and the price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mock which is ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Which of the following companies became India's first lender to exclusively list $1 billion at 1 bonds in IFSC? The correct answer is D. HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank became first India's lender to exclusively list 81 bond on Govt IFSC. Let's check the next question. Invisible export means export of dash. The correct answer is A. Services. So invisible export means export of services. A part of international trade, invisible export is a type of export which does not involve trading of goods or commodities. Instead, it involves the service sector like insurance, banking and consultancy, etc. Let's check the next question. The NRIs, while investing in the equity of a company, cannot buy more than prescribed percentage of the paid up capital of that company. What is the prescribed percentage? The correct answer is D. 5%. Let's check the next question. Which is the first Indian company to hit the rupees 10 lakh crore mark in the market capitalization? The correct answer is D. Reliance Industry. So Reliance Industry, Mukesh Ambani company, was the first Indian company to hit the rupees 10 lakh crore mark in market capitalization. Let's check the next question. Name the company that has acquired an online travel portal Yatra Online Inc. for an enterprise value of $337.8 million in an all stock transaction. The correct answer is C. Ebix Inc. Let's check the next question. In which state has the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, that is KVIC, opened the first silk processing plant? The correct answer is D. Gujarat. So first silk processing plant was inaugurated at Surendranagar in Gujarat, and it would helpful cut down the cost of production of silk yarn drastically and increase the sale and availability of raw material for Gujarat patola saris. Let's check the next question. Asia's largest wholesale spice market is located in dash. The correct answer is D. That is Delhi. So it came being during the 17th century. Let's check the next question. Name the media company that purchased the legendary studio of 21st Century Fox. The correct answer is D. Disney. Let's check the next question. Name the manufacturer of the fruit-filled friendly punch RochAfza in India. The correct answer is B. Hamdard Laboratories, India. Let's check the next question. Which of the following industries is not included in the 8 core industries of India? The correct answer is C. Cotton. So, 8 core industries of India are electricity, steel, refinery products, crude oil, coal, cement, natural gas and fertilizer. And cotton industry are yet to come under the core industries of India. Let's check the next question. Which was the first Indian company to be listed in NASDAQ? The correct answer is C. Infosys. So Infosys Technologies is the first Indian company to be added to the NASDAQ index and is the only Indian company to be part of any of the major global indices. Let's check the next question. Globe Coffee, a US based coffee marketer, is a group company of, the correct answer is A, Tata. Let's check the next question. Which company launched the first mobile phone operation in India? The correct answer is D, Modi Telstra. In 1993, this company Modi Telstra became the first company to launch cellular services in India and received the first Telecom Engineering Commission certification of quality. And the inaugural mobile call in India was made on the Modi Telstra network by the Chief Minister of Kolkata, that was Jyoti Basu. She did that call to Sukhram, the Union Communication Minister, in July 19. First call made on July 1995 by Jyoti Basu to Sukhram, the Union Communication Minister. Let's check the next question. Lakshmi Mittal, the famous NRI industrialist, is partnering with Government of India for which of the following big projects? The correct answer is A, oil refinery. Let's check the next question. Starbucks, the coffee chain retailer name, is inspired from which book? The correct answer is B, Moby Dick. So the coffee chain was originally going to be called either Cargo House or Pequod after Captain Ahab's ship in Moby Dick. Let's check the next question. In God we trust, the rest have to bring data on the table. This statement was made by the famous industrialist. The correct answer is D, Narayan Murthy. So in God we trust, the rest have to bring data on the table. This statement made by Narayan Murthy. Let's check the next question. An Indian company manufacturing automobiles for Mitsubishi is, the correct answer is D, Hindustan Motors. So Indian manufacturer Hindustan Motors had a joint venture with Mitsubishi that started in 1998. Let's check the next question. Which of the following have owned Land Rover brand before Tata Motors? The correct answer is D. So BMW, British Airlines and British Aerospace have owned Land Rover brand before Tata Motors. Let's check the next question. Mr. Ratan Tata refused a job with one of the following companies to join Tata Steel in 1962. Which company was it? The correct answer is A, IBM. So he refused the IBM job because he wanted to join the Tata Steel. Let's check the next question. Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger are known for founding. The correct answer is C, Wikipedia. So the first working online encyclopedia was Wikipedia, launched in January 2001 by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. And the founder used the concept and technology of a wiki devised in 1994 by the computer programmer Ward. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.